In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size while reading an email in Outlook. If you've ever found yourself squinting at tiny text or wanting a closer look at an email, there are two quick ways to zoom in and out while reading, and a simple place to set your default text size for a consistent experience. First, with any email selected, go to the View tab and choose Zoom. This opens the zoom controls where you can use the plus and minus buttons to increase or decrease the magnification until the text looks comfortable. Take a moment to try a few levels. 100 is the normal size, and moving up to 120 or 150 can make a big difference on high-resolution screens. The great part is that Outlook remembers what you choose here, so the next time you open an email, it will continue using this zoom level for future reads. If something looks off, just return to the same zoom option and adjust back down or back to 100. If you want an even faster way, you can hold the Control key on your keyboard and scroll your mouse wheel. Scrolling up zooms in, and scrolling down zooms out. This is perfect when you need to quickly zoom for a particular message and jump back to normal when you're done. On many laptops, this also works with a touchpad by holding Control and using a two-finger scroll. Again, you can always settle back at 100 whenever you like. Now, if you prefer a default text size for reading and composing, you can set that in Outlook's settings so things feel consistent across your inbox. Click the Settings cog, then select View All Outlook Settings. In the panel that opens, go to Mail, then Layout. Look for the section called Text Size and Spacing. Here, choose the size that feels right for you: small, medium, or large, then make sure to save. This choice applies your preferred size broadly, so regular emails and new messages you compose will align with what you pick. If you ever find the text too large or too small after living with it for a day, just come back to the same place and adjust it again. Your change is immediate once you save. That's it. Thanks for watching.